Hello, everyone. Okay, welcome to visit our factory. This is a wider mattress crisis. Let me show you around our factory. So you can see this is hardware. Okay, before installation. So please follow me. This is already finished, and we pack it in some soft material to protect. And after that, we will make it as a wooden case. Yeah. This is our technician team. So our okay, so the machine will support the remote control once you have the error code issue, and the machine can upgrade when we have the new version, new function. We will send to your machine to upgrade. So follow me. Okay, this is some mini machine we made before, and now I will introduce our lattice super content mini machine. Okay, this one is custom design. You can show around. Yeah, it's rainbow. It's rainbow. This is single cavity. We put the stick inside and extra parts, the tools box. Yeah, okay, for me. So this is our production department. I will introduce the machine. This here is the cash adapter. Okay, cash adapter, the coil. And here can put the credit card. Okay. The machine you can support to custom your own LED brand, your own logo, words, and the machine can support multiple language like English, Japanese, Portuguese, French, Turkey, something like this. Okay. Um, so now I'm going to show you one production. Yeah, maybe this one. Okay, 1 second. Let's move. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So this is our production rooms, and yeah, here you can see the sugar is baking for about 90 seconds, 90 seconds to within 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes, you're finished. Okay, so from here, okay, this sticker also can custom English, French, any language you like. Yeah. Here is some electric parts, the motor. Come here. This is the heating burner. Okay, thank you. The heating burner will make the waterproof. Waterproof. Yeah, okay, this was it's testing. Okay, we are under testing. Before shipping, we were testing for 2 days, 3 days to make it reliable. Okay, okay. You can see the temperature here. We make the burner in the reliable, stable temperature, and then the production will be reliable too. Okay, so my friend, if you have any else confused or question, please contact us. We will reply your question. Okay, see you later.